Bonjour mes chers élèves. Yeah, this lesson is going to be the first lesson of Enchanté 1 and it's about les lettres et les nombres, the letters and the numbers. In this video, we are going to concentrate only on the alphabets and in the next lesson, we can see the numbers. Okay? The French alphabets are the same as in English, but only the pronunciation is going to be different. Here, I'll be teaching how to pronounce each letter, and then in the next video, I will give you some tips on the pronunciation. Okay, so let's start. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Once again, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Children, you have to see also the next part of this lesson so that you get some tips on how to pronounce the letters correctly. So for the moment, bonne révision et bonne chance.